We're staying in a Thai hotel, no, in Sukhothai. So we just had our breakfast here. So medyo private yung place. They have private villas, no, katabunan ng mga halaman. Then we have a lot of mga foreign guests here, tourists. So yung hotel has mga bike rentals, almost 100 doon sa harap. Meron din siguro nag-rent dito na medyo matagalan. Ayan yung kanya feature ng mga villas, mga rooms. Magandang gayahin sa farm dito. Kinubera ng mga tanim. Okay, this one. Oh, mandos ng swimming pool dito eh. Yung villas namin dito, this side na. Then yung kotse dito, yung entrance. We're in villa number 2, that one. Then dito nakapark yung kotse or rented car, Honda Civic. Okay, this one. Yan, mga villas nila for rent, no? Fairly reasonable considering yung maganda yung mga rooms nila, no? Very nice na rooms. This one, itong sa loob. Get sa car? May kunin natin sa kotse. Ito yung entrance naman. Balik na ako dyan, May. If you want to, ito, mga guests, kuminsan solo ng mga guests, they're renting, no? Parang 50 baht per day. So ideal also for mga tourists na gusto mag-exercise. You also have, ito yung entrance. Ay no. Ito pala yung, this is the entrance, no, of the hotel. This is the entrance. Yeah, no, entrance. So this is their ito, no, Thai Sukhothai Resort. Very nice, no? To location, maraming mga kwan dito, boutique na mga hotels for travelers. Ito yung entrance. Okay?